This is how to add subscribe to Opus clip. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course upload your video by providing the link or manually upload it over here and click on get clips in one click. And from there, once it is done, you can just simply click on it over here down below. And now on your video, you will have here multiple clips that you can choose from. And now just simply select the clip that you prefer and click on edit clip over here. And now guys, in order for you to add the subscribe, you will have two options. You can go for text over here on the right side of the screen, and you can go for the heading or body text. So pretty much it will be depending on you. I'm gonna go for heading. You can type it over here, subscribe. And now you can change the background and the font and the color as well. And just simply click on it and put it on the right place. And from here, you should be able to resize it by clicking on the circle icon. And from here, as you can see down below, we should be able to select where we are gonna put it, and we can expand it as well by clicking on the end and expanding this block over here. And as you can see, when I play on it, the subscribe button will show up. And now guys, another option that you have is just simply go for static overlay over here and make sure to turn this on and click on choose file and just simply select the file that you have. And as you can see, I have a subscribe picture and click on it and click on open. And from here, just simply wait for it to load up. And as you can see, you should be able to add a subscribe image. And guys, from here, you should be able to have the subscribe image all the way from start to the end of the video. And once you are done, just simply click on save changes over here, and there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more about Opus Clip, and thanks for watching. See ya.